Previously on Hugo Mills Solves Your World, I visited the Jurassic period to find out if dinosaurs were really as dangerous as they seem. Turns out they are. I found out there really is always a bigger fish, climbed a hill, robbed a bank, and uncovered the secrets of dragons. There really is no end to the list of my talents. However, this week I decided to explore a topic a little closer to home. After learning about the case of a mysterious missing timetable from the 1980s, I wanted to explore it further. Why did this particular timetable go missing? And why on earth would anyone want to steal a timetable? I mean, seriously, if you never stolen a crown jewels or something, that'd be more interesting. Anyway, I'm on my way to meet a very knowledgeable expert who can tell us more about the mystery that's been gripping the nation for decades.
I actually went through the Wikipedia article. Someone had it as 139.
We're here in Slough, and I am here interviewing Bob about timetables and trains. Now, I don't understand what this means. As far as I understand it, timetables is just basic numbers. 4 times 2 is 42. But luckily, my dear friend Bob is here to explain.
Well, actually, timetables are actually very important for the optimal running of trains. Now, up here in the Great Northern Railway, we actually have different ticket prices, and I've run the Wikipedia page.
Attention, peoples of Earth, we have need of the greatest documentarian of all time, and are therefore immediately taking him to Planet X. That is all.
Finally, intergalactic recognition of my excellence. How have you know I got 2 Oscars? What? I'm Hugo Mills. I deserve this. That's all right. They clearly got confused. I'll just go up to space and have a bit of a discussion with whoever's running this. Someone, get me my spaceship. Don't worry, it's big on the inside. And it's got air conditioning. After that unexpected turn of events, me and my crew turned our attention to the stars, where we would potentially change history. Obviously, part of the course for Hugo Mills. You can find out more on my podcast. Hugo Mills has it all available on all good streaming platforms. And we set off to prove that Hugo Mills really is the galaxy's best documentarian. And here we are, finally, on an alien planet. Obviously, it didn't take too long. Our ship's really fast. Now, let's see what's going on out there. That's a lot of him. Is that not like one of me? Let's not do that. Let's cut that. That's boring. Alright, cool alien landing, take 2. This is one small step for man and one giant leap for the Hugo Mills franchise. I am here on an alien planet. Now, obviously I was the first man in space, and now I'm the first man making contact with alien life. Here's one of the funny green critters over here. Hello.
Excuse me?
What's up, Greenie? What can I do for you?
I am quite noticeably not green.
That's your perspective. What can I do for you?
Nothing. I'm good. I'm great.
Really?
Yes.
You sure?
Positive, yeah.
You do know who I am, right?
Nope.
I'm sure you know who I am. You're trying to avoid stage fright. That's
No.
all right.
No clue who you are.
You don't have to
Pretending.
You don't have to
Never seen you.
say, oh, I know you, it just always feeds my ego. So, I'm here to solve your world, because I'm benevolent. What can I do for you?
I mean, nothing. Things are fine.
You know, a lot of people say that. A lot of people say I'm fine, and I think it's really sad because you see, a lot of people, they're not willing to ask for help when they need it. And a lot of people do need help. And it's fine, you can ask me. I can solve your world. No, I can solve your galaxy. Now, what can I do for you?
Alright, I lost my car keys.
Lost your
My
keys?
car.
Someone stole your keys.
Not stolen, just me being clumsy.
You lost your keys to your space car. You mean UFO, right? UFO?
Regular car.
It has laser beams, right, though?
Sure, yes, it is
That
like
is so cool. It's not... I'm fine. It's not cool at all. It's just Tuesday. Casual Tuesday. Might be Wednesday. But I'm very excited, Greenie, to help you find the person who stole your keys. I'll do it for you, just for you. I care for you. I care. I care about you and everything that you need. Now, if you're gonna have me solve your world, find your keys for you, I need you to stare into that camera there. You see the camera? It's like an Earth thing. You know, you might not. It's a bit advanced, but I need to stare down it, and I need you to say, Hugo Mills, can you solve my world? No, scratch that. We're rebranding. We're doing a rebranding. New series, new theme. Hugo Mills, can you solve my galaxy? I want you to say that. 3, 2, 1, action, go.
Hugo Mills, can you solve my galaxy?
I'd love to help you. Now, I am going to find these keys for you, because that's what you need. You need your keys back. I'm going to find your keys, and I will solve your galaxy. So, I'm just going to go that way. I heard a key. Keys make noises. I find them.
Oh,
I got.
actually, if you could give
Yeah,
me a
I'm gonna-
ride, that'd be
let's
great. It's
See
all I
you
really.
around. Bye.
Okay.
Keys. All good writers wonder, what is the key? The key to a good story, the key to the characters, the key to my Nissan Juke. Well, in this case, I am looking for a more literal key, the key to a spaceship. And obviously, there is no better man for the job than me to find out about all of my various bits of experience necessary in my box set. Buy at all good shops. Yeah, no one better than me, the most incredible, brilliant, wonderful.
So, who are you? Because I'm at civil security. What are you doing in my spaceship?
Well, I'm Hugo Mills, and I'm here to solve one lucky person's world. See that camera? Look down it. You have to sign a waiver of consent, saying that you consented. But like, we're on camera. Okay. So I'm looking for some keys. They look like them. Good keys.
Yeah, so actually these keys are for, so basically this blows up that planet right there, but you don't need to worry about that because you have to like be very special with that. Oh no. No. Oh no.
Love it. Cool thing. Really good. Wow. That's nice.
Gonna get fired. I mean, who is this guy? Look at him. Who's this guy?
Yeah. Awkward. Ha ha ha. Well, if you'll be excusing me, I'm just gonna get in my spaceship and get out of here. So I'll be bidding you adieu. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hello. I believe these are your keys.
Yeah, so I called an Uber a while ago and these aren't my keys.
I think you'll find out.
I think I'll find they aren't.
No, look at them again. They're yours.
Nope, I've never seen these in my life.
Well, our green friend here is clearly confused.
Not green.
But it is apparent that I have managed to once again solve someone's world. Now I need you to stare down that lens. You see the lens?
Yes,
Yeah.
I see
I
the
need you. Yeah, it's a camera, right? I need you to stare down it, and I need you to say, Hugo Mills, you've solved my galaxy. Just look
But you
down.
didn't.
I really need it for like the cyclical narrative of
It wouldn't
the
be
episode.
right.
No, just say it,
Fine.
please.
Fine.
It wouldn't be right
Then
if
I
we
can
got rid of
go?
it. Yeah, you can
Okay.
go afterwards. Yeah, just go on.
Hugo Mills, you solved my galaxy.
Great. Cut, guys. Let's go. High fives all around. Right, yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Let's get off this stupid planet, go back to somewhere civilized, Croydon. Come on, sound guy. Places to go. Don't forget the spaceship. Right. That concludes another wonderful episode of Hugo Mills Solves Your Galaxy. And yes, I have once again saved the day. Now, I, Hugo Mills, will be seeing you next week. Now, don't forget to check out my book, Hugo Mills Solves Everything, available at all bookstores.
Hugo, we need to refuel the rocket.
What?
We need to refuel.
No, it's fine. We can. If you're worried about it, you can just like have a bus or something. I'm going home.
You won't even make it halfway. Mr. Mills.
And that is where we end today's episode, folks. Another galaxy solved by the one, the only, Hugo Mills? Stupid computer. What do you mean fuel warning?
Oh man, wasn't rolling.